Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN, and we were talking about the gold market yesterday up in these areas here. You notice here that this June gold, we were looking for a high of around 31.78. That was just the ABCDs from going back into the summertime, down into November, and then up into this area right here. There's also a chance that we could make 32.08. However, relying on our old trusty standby, AB equals CD, you can see here over the last 3 days, you had a low down here and a high up here and a low down here and a high up here and a low down here. There it was, folks. The high of the day was 31.77, and right on the money. Here's an easy trade because that's where the pullback was, and now we're headed down. I don't know if this is a major top or not, but this is the first time we've had a $40 correction since Hector was a pup, and that dog's 13 years old. Yeah, we had one here, didn't we? This was $32 correction. This is actually the largest correction that we've had so far. Does that mean it's the top? I don't know. All I know is that the open interest was so crazy yesterday that I have to report this. Yesterday on the open interest, you can see volume dropped off quite a bit, but look at this spike in open interest. Okay, that's a big spike, folks, all in one contract. April, can you explain to me someone wants to buy April when it's the least, June's lead contract? I was told by someone very important it's a hedge against a huge option position. I don't know what that means, but that's what they told me, and I'm sticking with it. Way over this old cowboy's pay grade. So anyway, we'll be watching it closely. Of course, we've got a lot to talk about with the stock market coming up here with our key day today, and we're going to talk more about that when we return from the show here, which I'm going to have to go back because I forgot that I got an extra 45 seconds, and we'll get up here and try to talk to you about a couple things here that we're seeing in the NASDAQ. Very, very important from my perspective. As you can see here, let's get the daily up here. Microsoft, God, NASDAQ. Okay, we have made the 382 retracement on this, folks. Today, as you can see, we kicked this out, and then we've also come up and we've made the 382 retracement on that right there. That came in here at right where we're trading right about now. We went a little bit higher than that. To me, this is very important, and I'll explain to you why. I'll go through it one more time like I done in the past, because I don't know if it's going to work or not. But right now,